Hello guys, on the 14th part, now let's focus now about the rectangular array. The rectangular array, you have to be aware of the spaces and the distances here. First of all, this part is 10 centimeters and this part is 60 centimeters and this part is 60 centimeters. So this is very long chair, by the way, very comfortable chair. And we have to be aware that 70 centimeters beside 60 centimeters is about 1 meter and 30 centimeters, okay, or 130 centimeters, whatever you have to say. What I mean here, that if I create a group from it, G, enter unnamed group, then highlight it and try to use the rectangular array. Once I create the rectangular array, there is now four columns like you see now, and 3 rows, 1, 2, 3 rows, and there is a distance between them. You can relate it to the distance or the total. It's much better to use the between because it's more specific to understand it. And levels if you have a 3D system, but we don't use the 3D system, we are speaking about the 2D system here. So we are focusing on the columns part, so the distance between two parts and between the two columns. How we can calculate it? You can see that the distance here 120, okay, 120 centimeters, 120 centimeters, but what had been said here between the columns is 180. So it means that there is a 60 centimeter at least between both of them, because 100, so if I put 120 like that, and hit enter between columns, just wait guys, now you can see it, what had happened. They are just like attached to each other, okay, and close to each other. I don't want that, so I wanted to add that you are adding the length on the x-axis beside the number that you want. So I wanted to add 60 centimeters, so it would be 180 centimeters. So now we can see the effect. And if I wanted to play on the row, here we have 70 centimeters plus 60 centimeters. So the total between them, I have to understand that it is 130 centimeters. So the total of that, it will be, as you can see, maybe we can put it 180 to put a 50 centimeter. Okay, a 50 centimeter between the rows, something close to that. So guys, you have to be aware how to play this game. So this is 50 centimeter between them and this 60 centimeters between them. So that's it for the rectangular array. Let's close the part. Now we have to talk about something. Once you close the array, they are associative. What I mean about they are associative, they are just close to each other. Once I hit again the array home tab, like the home tab, it is being said, but it is array tab. Okay, once you can see it, you can explode them, X enter. Now you can see this again anymore, just the parts of the blocks that had been created from this thing. Okay, so now you are aware of that they are associative. So I can take this part again and take a copy, C or enter of it, to make you see and understand every part of that. Once I hit that and create another group, G enter. Okay, this is the G enter, the group that I created. I hit AR the another way, then hit enter. Then I will choose rectangular array, and they are associative. If I don't want them to be associative, in order not to be associative, it means that I don't want to explode them and I don't want to see this panel again, okay, or this tab again. So I hit unassociative, then I will press close. Once I hit close, they are just grouped by each other, and I found what I wanted from the beginning. So guys, this is the way of using rectangular array. It's much better and very easy way.